Hey, Levi,
Hey.
what are we up to today?
Camping.
What else are we going to do?
Do s'mores.
S'mores, and what else?
A fire.
A fire, and what else?
Carry the umbrella.
Probably going to need an umbrella, but what else are we going to do while we're camping?
Fish.
We're going to go fishing. You asked to go fishing last time, so we're going to go fishing this time.
A world away and still not far, like fabric woven into ours. The dawn, it shot out through the night, and day is coming soon.
Back up the hill. I forgot to pack a hat for Levi, but thankfully I always keep a spare hat in the truck, just in case I forget mine. Tonight, it's gonna be his. So I wanna make sure that he's got one and he feels comfortable. Oh, saw Taz in the parking lot. He asked if I was the one he was picking up. I said no, not this time. Well, the sun's trying to come out.
But I won't wait, rest in my bones. I'll take these foolishness roads of grace and run toward the dawn.
There's a lot of people around here.
You're getting a video of PePaw's head.
Yeah. And now I'm getting a video of how pretty it is out here. Of course, some of this poison in there, like that one right there. Pretty good?
Yes.
Mayflies. Thankfully, these are not biting sons of guns. Bananas.
But I won't wait, rest in my bones. I'll take these foolishness roads.
We have quite the contrast in musical selection this evening. We have in the campsite directly next to us someone with an acoustic guitar, very chill, very relaxed. And then down a little further by the river, those who are sounding like apes, blaring music.
I'm Squatter, Dusty and Swamp. Our YouTube is SC Backpackers. We're brand new on YouTube. We've only got a through hike on there and then just an overnight on there. So brand new. We're having a good time though.
Today I'll shine out as bright as the sun, and these roads that I've run will be wise. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the day in the shadows of the dawn.
About time for bed. Still got a lot of people who are out shenaniganizing. Some less than like 30 yards from Levi's hammock. I'm right next to Levi. And one of them had an entire handle. Look, I went over and told them that I was very grateful that they had reduced their volume after a certain time, because that made it a lot easier to get Levi to sleep. We don't need to be afraid of conflict. We don't need to go seeking it out either. This was a good opportunity for me to go over and just present it as my gratitude. Because truly, I'm grateful any time that Levi gets to go to sleep. I just got back in the hammock. Thunderstorm was strong enough to have knocked down the poles that I was using for porch mode. But I was asleep. I got Levi's hammock taken care of. I just had to remove the poles. Dropped straight down into storm mode. None of his stuff got wet enough to be of real concern. He's gonna have some wet shoes in the morning. I'm gonna need to make a beak for my tarp. Other than that, back in the hammock, mostly dried off now. I still see some wetness on me. Here we go. I could sleep for a long time more. Getting ready for breakfast?
Yes.
Really came down last night. How do you feel? You just hauled all that stuff up.
Good.
How you doing, Levi?
Good. How long do you want me to keep videoing you?
Just for a second. I had one. I thought I got caught on that rock again. But then it let go.
They say this is the time to fish.
I think it was a successful trip.
Absolutely.
Walking up this another time. Oh, what do you think?
It was good.
Yeah?
Yes.
Just good?
Yes.
And wet.
Yes.
Did you catch a fish?
Yes.
What kind?
I don't know.
It was a horny head.
Marnie head.
Yes. Good time. 3 generations of Pushkas men. What a blessing.
You taking a picture of me?
Video.
Video.